How to log out from Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to log out from your account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the shopping cart at the top. Right here, select it. Then here you can find account right here, tap on it. Then here you can find your profile right here. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner, select it. Then here you can find sign out right here, tap on it. Then simply confirm to sign out, just like this. And now you can see you have simply logged out from the Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.